In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Word using Foxit in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to edit a document or simply prefer working in a Word format, this tutorial will guide you through the process quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other application you're comfortable with. Once your browser is up and running, head to the search bar and type in Foxit. The goal here is to locate the official Foxit website, so as you look through the search results, keep an eye out for URL links that mention foxit.com. Click on the first link or the one that you recognize as Foxit's main homepage. Upon landing on Foxit's website, you'll want to look for the login option. This might be at the top right corner, or in a drop-down menu, depending on their latest site design. If you already have a Foxit account, simply enter your credentials and log in. If not, take a moment to sign up. It's straightforward and won't take long. Once logged in, direct your attention to the website's navigation bar. Hover over the section labeled Products. A drop-down menu should appear, showcasing various options and tools. What you're specifically after is the Online Tools category. Within this menu, locate the PDF to Word tool and click on it. You're now on the PDF to Word conversion page, where you'll see a section that says Drag PDF file here or click to select. If your PDF file is readily accessible on your desktop or in a folder, you can simply drag it over to this area. Alternatively, you can click on the space to open a file selection dialog box, navigate to where your PDF is saved, and select it for upload. With your PDF uploaded, you're now ready to initiate the conversion. Look for a button labeled Conversion or something similar. A single click on this button is all it takes to start the process. Depending on the size of your PDF, the conversion might take a few moments, so exercise a bit of patience here as the website processes your document. Once the conversion is complete, the next step will be to download your new Word document. A download link should appear on the screen, often prominently displayed to catch your attention. Click on this link, and voila! Your converted Word document, a docx file, will be downloaded to your computer, ready for you to open, edit, and use as you need. And there you have it. Your PDF successfully converted to a Word document using Foxit's online tools in just a few quick steps. We hope this guide was clear and helpful. If it was, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.